Are you comfortable having your entire financial life on your phone? Because in the world of digital banking, that's the reality. And if you're a Monzo customer, you might be wondering, just how does a fully digital bank protect your money and your data from hackers and all the latest vulnerabilities? The short answer is, they treat security as a first-class citizen, building it into every layer of their infrastructure and using a mix of technology, human oversight, and even social engineering defenses. Let's dive into the core of how they keep things locked down. First up, their fundamental approach is security by design. Monzo's banking platform uses a system of hundreds of small, independent programs, or microservices, which communicate using their own private network. By default, these services are not allowed to talk to each other, the database, or even the internet. Access is only granted explicitly, meaning if one part of the system were compromised, the attack is immediately contained, limiting the blast radius. This don't trust by default principle is a massive security advantage. Next, let's talk about you, the customer. Monzo has implemented some truly unique security features right in the app. Forget remembering a complex password. Monzo uses magic links for logging in, emailing you a unique, single-use link. No password to guess or steal. Inside the app, you're protected by biometric security like face or fingerprint ID, not just a PIN. But they go further, especially for high-value transactions. They've introduced what they call added security controls. You can set up known locations where you're comfortable making large transfers. Transactions attempted outside of these will be blocked. You can nominate trusted contacts, a friend or family member who also uses Monzo, to sense-check any transfers over your daily limit. And for the ultimate proof of identity, you can use secret QR codes, a unique code you print out or store on a separate device, which must be scanned to authorize a significant payment. These features all force a crucial moment of pause in high-stakes situations, giving you time to spot a scam before it's too late. Monzo is also on the front foot against a specific type of fraud, impersonation scams. They have an industry-first call status tool. If you get a call from someone claiming to be Monzo, you can check the app in real time. If it doesn't show a "we're calling you" message, you know instantly it's a scammer, and you hang up. Finally, how do they find and fix vulnerabilities in their own code? They run a bug bounty program. They pay security researchers and ethical hackers to actively test their systems, incentivizing the discovery and responsible reporting of security flaws before any criminal can exploit them. This crowdsourced security model, combined with regular internal and external audits, ensures a constantly evolving defense. Monzo's security is a non-stop, multi-layered effort, spanning their back-end infrastructure, their real-time fraud detection using machine learning, and clever features that put the customer's safety at the center of the app experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.